Hello students, this is just a review of your directions to do your main motion. So the first thing you need to do is go to the website, and on the website go to Introduction to Ag, and yesterday you downloaded a term list for parliamentary procedure. On that term list we have all the way at the bottom a script. This is where we were just starting to get to. The script gives you the proper ways to work through a main motion. There are a few things that I want to go over today to make sure that you have some help. So if you watch this video, please pay attention to it and you'll be able to quickly work through your activity. So the first thing you should have is the president saying basically this line. They will tap the gavel twice. So they don't have to say that. They'll just do tapping the gavel twice and then say, is there any further business that should be presented to the chapter at this time? Another member will stand and say, Mr. or Madam Chairperson. The president, though I know everybody's name, I can't fill you in because I don't know which blank to fill in here. So the president will say whoever's name stands. Then the blank will go through here, and in this line you should have that motion that says, I move that our chapter spends half of the state fair premium on Angel Tree. After that, the other member or another member will say, I'm going to change that from all to another member, will say second. This is all in your group. The president then will say it's been properly moved and seconded to spend half of the state fair premium on Angel Tree. Then they'll say, is there any discussion? The president then will say a member's name that stood, and then they will say, I made this motion because, and then you have to give a justification why you made the motion to spend half of the state fair premium on Angel Tree. And then you'll end up saying, by having a blank, whatever you want to say to support, you will then end with, I urge you all to vote for yes for this matter. Then the president will say, is there any further debate? Another member, because you guys are in groups of 3 or 4, will stand and the chair will recognize them, and still standing they will say, I don't think this is a good idea because, and then they will say first, second, and then I'm going to delete this and get rid of that, and finally, for these reasons I urge you to go against it. After that, the president will ask, and then they'll say, see no further discussion, now move to vote on spending half of the money on the state fair premium on Angel Tree. All those in favor? And then the motion to spend half the money on an Angel Tree, and then the president will say either it passes or it fails and tap the gavel once. This is your project. Use the iPads that Mr. Lechner showed you how to use on Tuesday to make this little video, and you guys should then be able to complete the project.